You're not just a scientist. You're a problem solver with untapped market power. The question is, are you thinking like a founder or just a researcher? You've been trained to think in experiments, data, and peer reviews. The real world moves faster than your next publication cycle. In industry, speed beats perfection. Ideas are currency. Execution is the game. And entrepreneurial thinking, that's your passport from the lab bench to real-world influence. Scientist brain says, let's test it until we're certain. But the entrepreneur brain says, let's launch, learn, and adapt. The difference? One waits for permission, the other creates momentum. And momentum changes everything. Entrepreneurial scientists don't just ask what's the data. They ask, who needs this? Who will pay for it? How can it scale? Your research can become a diagnostic tool, a biotech startup, a consulting business, a new product line. But only if you start looking at science through a market lens. You don't have to quit your job to think like a founder. Start by talking to people outside your field, learning the language of business. ROIKP is market fit. Identify problems worth solving in your industry. The earlier you start, the faster you'll spot opportunities others miss. Science isn't the end of the story. It's the starting point. Entrepreneurial thinking turns your expertise into impact. So stop waiting for someone else to commercialize your ideas. Start thinking like the CEO of your own career. Science creates knowledge. Entrepreneurship turns it into change.